You have known the OCULUS SDI BIOM family of products for a long time. You appreciate the high-quality engineering and the benefits of non-contact wide-angle viewing. Maybe you have experienced the following situation. You have numerous vitreoretinal procedures every day. The problem is that the instruments have to be sterilized after each surgery, and that takes valuable time. Time that could be used on more efficient activities at your facility. In the worst case, delays could affect your patients in an emergency. Or maybe you have been in this situation. Your facility does very few vitrectomy procedures, but you still have to purchase capital equipment. Oculus presents a new product for exactly these situations. BIOM Ready. BIOM Ready is the world's first non-contact, single-use, wide-angle viewing system. It provides the same clear, wide-angle view as you've experienced with the BIOM for so many years, but in a new single-use version. The BIOM Ready comes sterile and can be mounted and used instantly. After surgery, it is removed from the microscope and simply disposed of. And you always have a new sterile BIOM ready for your next operation. No more waiting periods for the surgical staff, the surgeon, or patient, making your operating room more efficient and thus your facility becomes more profitable. The BIOM Ready has 5 advantages. First, by having sterile equipment for each surgery, risk for cross-contamination is reduced. Each patient has the reassuring comfort that a new single-use product is being used for their surgery. Second, frequent cleaning and sterilization processes are eliminated. That means that you save time and money. Third, time and costs associated with maintenance and repairs are minimized. Fourth, long waiting periods for the surgeons, the operating room staff, and your patients are reduced. A happy staff means increased productivity. A happy patient is, well, just good for everyone. Fifth, BIOM Ready incorporates the new BIOM HD disposable lens. Whether viewing midvitreous or the periphery, you'll appreciate the unparalleled clarity. The depth of field under high magnification reduces the need for a contact lens in many cases, saving you money. You have already come to know and appreciate the quality of the BIOM family of products. You will not be disappointed by BIOM Ready. BIOM Ready. We focus on progress.